Hi everyone. I was going to do this live stream, but apparently on this second channel of mine, I have to wait 24 hours for them to let me do live streams. So I'll just do this as a video. I received my Bargain Bead Box yesterday. It's called CELTIC Inspirations. This is from March and 2021, which I think those were sold out early. So yeah. Anyway, it says, rich greens and sparkling teal combine with silver findings in this Celtic collection. Highlights include green aventurine teardrops and carved leaves. That sounds good. A pair of half matte agate focal beads. That sounds interesting. And an array of high quality silver tone findings. Yay, I love silver tone. Celtic motifs include the triquetra, often representing spirituality, unity, and eternity, and the Dahlia knot, I don't know these things, typically used to represent strength, like the roots of an oak tree. Oh, that's cool. We hope you enjoy designing with these timeless symbols. And then, of course, if you're subscribed, you get a coupon code and such, and you can post pictures and have a chance at winning. And I am going to put this over here. This is the key that we get, and it says that the approximate total retail value for this shipment is $63. I haven't tested this recently, but I did so in the past, and I always was getting at or above this if I just used retail non-sale prices for most of these things. So here's the bag. It's green, because of course it said green. So let's see what we have. And I know I am so far behind in making things. Let me get this organized and I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So we have 19 items this time. And the first one is 2 pieces, approximately 18 by 13, green aventurine teardrop pendants. And these are drilled front to back. They're very smooth. And they have dimension on both sides, so they're not flat on either side. And you can see I got 2 different ones. They're slightly different shades. This one is more of a light teal, and this one's more of a, what I'll call garden green. And forgive my nails, I guess I have a boo-boo. But they're nice. I like those. I probably will not use them for earrings because they're 2 different shades of green. So we'll have to see. And then number 2 is 20 piece 7.5 millimeter 3 petal bead cap, and it has lead free, cadmium free with an asterisk, but I think they forgot to update it from a prior month because it says made of pewter alloy with antique copper finish. It should say antique silver finish. But there's a 7.5 millimeter 3 petal bead cap. I think I said that already. And they're pretty. They're a different design than usual. It's kind of scrolly with scrolls in between. Yeah, I'm going to put them back in the bag so I don't lose them. Maybe. Okay, number 3, and let's see, I love these. 4 piece, 18 by 15 millimeter Celtic knot flat round charms. And they're double-sided. They're really nice. I really love those. Ooh. I'm going to turn this light down a little. Oh boy, there we go. Look how clear that became. Of course, now it's really dark and here to me, but we're going to go with it because I think for the metals anyway, you can see them better. And then number 4 is 2 piece 24 by 17 knotwork charms links. These are what they were calling the Dahlia knots, I think. They're also double-sided and very nice. And they're a little bit lighter weight, actually, than those other ones. They're not quite as thick. Aren't those pretty? So, yep, like those. Okay, now I'm going to turn the light back up a little bit. I'll just put it on 1. And okay, number 5 is 14-inch strand, 6 millimeter green agate round beads, dyed and permanently dyed and heat treated. And there's a lot of them on there. They're nice. smooth 6mm rounds. You can use them with a lot of things. And number 5 is a 14-inch strand. Nope, that's not right. 6 is 10-piece strand, 13.5mm crystal disco faceted round beads in blue green. They have more of a silvery look to them with a hint of blue, more blue purple, I would say, than blue green, but I don't know. Let me know what you think. You can see kind of a blue purple here, but they're definitely a disco ball type thing. And how many pieces? 10 pieces of those. And then 7 is 1 meter 5 by 3.5mm textured steel jewelry chain. So a little bit larger link chain. This is textured. Let's see if we can get you to see it. Come on, camera. There you go. Best I can do. Sorry, guys. And maybe I'll turn the light back off again. Number 8. 50-piece 5.5mm swirled rope design spacers. I don't know if we've gotten these before. I don't think I have since November when I started getting the box. And now see, I have a light on the other side, but I don't know why it's being so. There we go. Okay, so that's number 8, and that's 50 pieces, so that's a good amount. Number 9, which I put a little line under so I wouldn't get it confused with 6. This is 2-piece 31 by 27mm Celtic knot donut with loop. These are single-sided. They're pretty. They're pretty. Open weave, but yeah. But I think I can do something with those, even though they're single-sided. Number 10 is 16-inch strand, 6 by 4mm crystal rondelle beads in teal green champagne. I actually think I have these, but that's okay. I can always use more crystals. Really sparkly and pretty. Look at that sparkle. And teal champagne is like, there's some of them are, well, they're all like they're mostly teal with a little splash of champagne color on them. Aren't they pretty? They're gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. Number 11. 5-piece strand, approximately 12mm hand-carved green aventurine leaf beads. Oh, when they said leaves, I was thinking like a pendant leaf. Oh, then we might still have that too. So we only got 5 of these, which is kind of weird, but yeah, it's okay. They can be used, and I have so many leaf beads. It's not funny. Leaves and flowers and other things, shaped things, I have lots of. And then these I'm going to like too. 8 pieces, 18.5 by 15.5mm. These are the Dara Knot drops. Drops links. They're more of a drop. They are double-sided. They're a little bit lightweight. It's nice that they gave us 8 of them. So yeah, they're nice. I like them. They are double-sided. Yeah, they're double-sided. They felt a little bit more flat on one side than the other, but they're definitely double-sided still. Okay. 13, 9-piece strand, 10mm green aventurine round beads. So these are the same as these, but they're a little bit lighter. This is more the color I'm used to seeing. Oh, these are agate. I'm sorry. These are agate. These are aventurine. And this is more the color I'm used to seeing, as this lighter green and aventurine. So these are 10mm, and you get 9. So there we go. They're nice, smooth, round gemstone beads. Number 14, 4 sets ornate toggle clasps, 16 by 21 millimeter. They're pretty too. They go with the design for sure. Just trying to make sure I have all the bars. I have not seen these before. I mean, I've seen toggle clasps, obviously. But they have sort of a fancy bar. There we go. And yeah, they're pretty. I like them. They're a little bit lightweight. Okay, number 15, approximately 30 by 20 millimeter green Aventurine teardrop focal. So this, is that where the hole is drilled? Or is that's I have a little chip on mine, but I think it just looks like the hole is maybe not drilled all the way through. There is a hole there in the back, but it doesn't come through the front all the way. So I just need to take a bead reamer maybe and clean that out, or I can use it as a cabochon instead and either wire wrap it or something and hide the nick or the hole. Okay, number 16, 7-inch strand, 8 millimeter faceted English cut candy jade, quote unquote jade. Jade in quotes like that is usually a different stone, and I forget right now what it is, but yeah, so that is this one. And these are, they're definitely faceted. It's a different cut. Oh, English cut. Yep. Okay, so that's that different kind of cut. They've had other gemstones in, like the jaspers and things. So that's that one. And then that was 16, 7-inch strand. And then we have number 17, 2-piece, approximately 24 by 27 millimeter half matte green agate coin beads. Huh. I have not seen these before. And this might be a problem in here. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like the drill hole goes 2 different ways. I don't know, but this one looks fine. I don't know if you can see that. It goes straight through there, but on this one, it does not go straight through. So I don't know how you would connect something. I'll have to see if it works. And if not, that might be another one that gets wire wrapped or something. Okay, number 18, 7-inch strand, 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in metallic green iris. I believe I just hauled these not long ago, but in a smaller size. So yeah, I think I got 6 by 4, and they're pretty. They're a darker green, metallic green iris. So they're, as opposed to these, which are teal champagne, much brighter. This is more, looks more like an army green kind of thing, but sparkly. Sparkly. Okay, metallic green iris. And the last thing is 2 pieces, 29.5 millimeter triquetra pendant, single-sided, or I guess you could hook them together. I don't know. I guess the triquetra is this tri thing in a circle, but then it's got designs going out the side, and there's holes, 3 holes too. Let's see if we can get the glare away somehow. I don't even have that one light on. Let's try this hand. There. Oh yay. Come on. There we are. So they're pretty neat. I might do something different with those. I don't know about putting them together, but I might do something different. So there you have it. That is the March Bargain Bead Box. This is $17.95 a month, I believe. But I do have a coupon code for $2 off your first box if you're interested. You would be getting April's though if you sign up, if they have enough to sign up and get. So if you're interested, I think this box is a great value for the money. It is my favorite bead box by far, because you get gemstones. You don't get a lot of them sometimes, but you do get them, and in various forms like teardrops, you know, larger teardrops and leaves, and these donuts, which I'm not too sure about, but the large, I wish we got a few more of the number 13s, but usually what they do then is for items where they've been able to get more, they'll put them for sale on their website at a certain point, and they send us an email saying we have them now, and you know, but they don't always have everything. They just have certain things that they get in stock for those of us that might want to get extras of certain things. And then we can use our coupon, which has been 30% off and a great deal. I did get just a few things from them, but I didn't do a, I don't think I did a haul video on it because it's only like $11 worth of stuff. So I didn't really do a video on that. And yeah, I think that's about, because I have enough stuff. I'm actually at a point where I need to not buy any more, and except for these kits, and start using them more so I can get you more finished video, jewelry videos. I'm actually happy to see silver finish with the green, because I just did gold with green last month in my jewelry making fun. So if you missed that, I'll put a link at the end of the video for that. You can see some gold jewelry pieces there. And but I am a silver person, so I'm very happy to see the silver here, and I can't wait to use this. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I don't know exactly when I'll be back with finished jewelry pieces, because I'm still working on February's. Kind of skipped over January's, and December's I did for my Joy of Blue collab. Well, not my collab, but the Joy of Blue collab that I'm in on the 12th of February. So go check that out. I'll also link that at the end. All right. Thank you so much. I will talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.